ViraWarn by Optiv is a tabletop device that instantly detects COVID-19 in your personal spaces. ViraWarn is designed to monitor your personal space, such as at your desk at work, or at home on your dining table or coffee table while having visitors over. Place ViraWarn on a flat, stable surface. Add the liquid media refill to the device, plug it in, turn it on, and detection monitoring begins. When an infectious individual is in your personal space, they are breathing out many virus particles. These virus particles are charge carriers. Each particle's charge is the cumulative charges of its nucleic and amino acids. ViraWarn is able to detect this unique charge. Here's how. An intake fan at the top of the device pulls in air from your personal space. When viral particles are pulled into the device and come in contact with a polarized liquid medium, a change in electrical parameters occurs. That electrical data is collected by electrodes and analyzed by ViraWarn's artificial intelligence algorithms to determine a result. And the resulting positive signal is sent to you via a flashing red LED light, so you can mask up and get out. Protect yourself and your loved ones with ViraWarn by Optiv. Buy yours now at optiv.com.